Hey babes, it's Gemma Lux, and today I'm going to teach you the kick flare combo. Okay, we can work this move on either side of the pole. I'm going to teach you on the right side of the pole, so come over here with me. I'm going to take my left foot down, facing the pole, slightly turned out. Right hand's going to come up, left hand lower. So you can actually take this down here if you prefer, or in baseball grip. We're going to step left, bend down so your chest comes down toward the pole, bend, kicking your heel to your butt, stick your butt out, and then extend. From here, as you come down, lift your chest, reach tall. Your momentum is coming from your right leg. So as this leg comes down, reach tall, swing it back behind you, click the heels. Now my left leg is extended. From here, we're gonna step around into a momentum turn. Down and hook. Okay, I'm gonna show you from another angle. So starting on the right side of the pole, I'm gonna face my left foot towards the pole, slightly turned out. Right hand's gonna come up, I'm gonna bend down, kick my right leg back, heel to my butt, stick my butt out and extend my leg. Momentum comes from my right leg. As I reach up, swing that leg, click the heels, extend right into a momentum turn, into a hook. All right, if you'd like to make this a little bit harder, we're gonna take this into a full pirouette. Your outside hand's gonna come down with your thumb down, and you're gonna take your hooked leg off the pole, sliding that outside hand down, taking it into a full pirouette. Reach tall, hook inside. From here, we're gonna lean forward into a jasmine. Bottom hand with your fingers pointing down to the floor. Drop forward, pull through your shoulders and chest, lift through your chest. You can go into an outside leg split from here by pulling your bottom leg back, pressing the hip into the pole, pushing through the bottom, pulling through the top, and then extending, pressing the back of the knee pit into the pole. To exit, hook back with the top leg. Pull your bottom into the pole. Bottom hand up. Let's pull this into a sit. Chest into the pole, legs up, sit, and lay back. Pull yourself back in. Let's squat down, booty out, and pose.